And they're up all in front is second by carryover. Moving up now, Paminsan now the outside. And going along for the first turn, Paminsan, followed by Pangani Boy. And running in third is carryover. Moving up now, Biba Bola, Pretty Bull, while Rising Star is running in the tail of the field. Into the back, they trouble. Paminsan leads Malang Pangani Boy. Biba Bola moving up now to take second. And down the half mile they trouble. Paminsan, Biba Bola, Pangani Boy. Here comes carryover. Pretty Bull and Rising Star. Inside the last 600. Paminsan. Biba Bola on the outside. It's Paminsan, Biba Bola, carryover now running in third by some 6. Pangani Boy, Pretty Bull and Rising Star. Towards the final turn, it's now Biba Bola from the outside, followed by Paminsan, carryover and Rising Star. But still Paminsan and Biba Bola fighting it out for the lead. Paminsan once again, and finally Paminsan, Biba Bola, carryover, Rising Star, Pretty Bull and Pangani Boy.